If you are not already aware of this already, the 12D model has been shipped with a customization standard we call the Public Works Standards. And this has been developed with various councils and the IPWAQ. So what better way to save time than developing your own 12D model customization when we've already done the hard work for you? Let's take a quick look at what's been happening here. Hi everyone, I'm Tim Brooks. I'm the training manager for 12D Model and 12D Synergy. I'm also responsible for coordinating the changes to the install files to suit the Public Works Standards. The SHIP Public Works Standards continues to be developed by two groups made up of the various councils. There's the survey group and the design CAD group. 12D first met with these groups back at the end of 2016 and started developing a common standard for everyone to use. This common standard was designed to help companies that did not have the resource or knowledge to create their own 12D model customization or standards, and also assist in removing boundaries between different councils and/or authorities. The first Public Works release was shipped with the rollout of version 14. With these groups, we initially established string and model naming conventions, pen sizes and colors, the line styles and symbols required for both survey and design, and this led to map files for reading or converting data and field pickup. The groups also developed matching CAD DWT files, a title block, standard PPF files for both the long and cross-section exports, and a multi-page plot sheet example as well. You can watch Owen's presentation to see more details regarding the plotting updates and options. These standards have been kept generic, so they can be used anywhere in the world, and they are not specific to a region. And from feedback from our users, this is the case. Many companies have adopted or adopted in some part these out-of-the-box standards. However, these items are always being refined, and the groups continue to meet to discuss changes and additions. These changes have often been released with the updates of version 14, and the next series of updates will be in the version 15 release. For survey-specific items, the group has also developed Trimble and Leica code files, the 12D model field codes. They have been also developing survey guidelines for the topographical pickup procedures. There's ADAC guidelines and also guidelines for the ADAC processing and submission. There is an alternative feature code guideline, and there will also be a code table report as well. These items are in final processing and will be available soon. The design CAD group have also started to work on a guideline. This will hopefully be available by the end of the year. As for final touches, possibly looking at a few Public Works standard template snippets. You too can have a say. If there's something missing or not working properly, you can either log it on the 12D Model forum under the Public Works area or email 12D Model support. We also use the 12D Model forum for locating setup files that have not made it into the install yet, or dare I say it, the matching CAD line styles with their shape files and CTV files can also be downloaded from here. These have been recently updated, so the CAD output can better match 12D Model's output. You can also ask questions about the Public Works standards here as well. So that was a brief overview, but just to recap, if you are in a position where you are developing some 12D model standards or need to, keep this in mind that a really comprehensive standard comes shipped with 12D model already, and this can save you a lot of time and money. At a minimum, it provides a really good example for you to start with. Thank you.